I think the things that have been most effective for us, have been field time, which it helps that I'm a salesperson, so I can go spend time out in the field with our salespeople. And that's a big focus when I'm in the car with them, is to say, okay, we just walked out of a dealership. What are you doing now in Spiro? Let's pull up the app.
Yeah.
Let's shoot out the email template. Let's set a reminder. Let's create our opportunity. Let's make it a habit of what that process should be. So that's been very helpful. As our sales teams grow, it's harder to do that.
Yeah.
And we don't have, we have a handful of people within the organization that have a really good understanding of how that can be most effective. So we're starting to get to the point where we have to kind of reach beyond that.
Mm-hmm.
And so one of the things that we've been working on over the last probably 6 months or so has been leveraging everything that we have in the system out onto sales dashboards and focusing on working with our management to make sure that that's what they're using to drive the sales process with the sales team.